Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Abraham here with just a quick video. I just want to first of all wish you everyone a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had a great time with your families in case you're celebrating Christmas. And if not, I hope you have a great couple of days. We're winding down and waiting for the year to end. I think pretty much everyone celebrates the end of the year. So yeah, I'm just like finishing up some stuff. I'm still working on the next course. I took some days off with my family. I'm gonna take a couple more days off at the end of this week for that sort of stuff as well, or again. But I just want to get you guys, or I just want to show you guys, rather, like do a little bit of planning here. Let me jump onto the mainstream real quick. So we're gonna have our end of the year live stream. End of the year live stream is gonna be tomorrow. Okay, so at the time of this, this video airs, it's gonna be. Let me check. When this video airs is gonna be December 27th. So this one's gonna be December 28th. Okay, December 28th is gonna be our live stream, and I'm gonna make it early in the morning. I'm gonna make it at 8 a.m. December 28th. Or actually, no, sorry. I'm gonna make it late at night. I'm gonna make it at 9 p.m. December 27th for like the Mexico time, which in case you're in the US, I believe it's Central Time / Central Time. If my calculation is right, this means that this will be 9 a.m. December 28th for people in India, which is most of our audience. I'm so happy to have so many students from all over the world. So yeah, we're gonna have our end of the year live stream, and then we're probably gonna have one extra video on the 29th, maybe on the 30th, depending on how fast I can move with that course. I want to make an amazing course as always for you guys, so I don't want to rush things. Yeah, next week we're starting a new year, so I hope you guys are ready, because we're changing things. We're gonna be changing a couple of things a little bit here in the channel. We saw that for the last character, the Fogling, we had a really good result, a lot of engagement. So people really like that format where I take one project and just go from beginning to end, like the full production pipeline. I think that's what we're going to be doing. We're still going to have like small videos with nice tips and tricks here and there, but I think we're going to jump into the project side of things a little bit more. That also allows me to record things like a little bit faster and just have content for you guys every single day. So one thing I wanted to do is I wanted to jump into some questions. I'm not going to show the questions because I don't wanna like burn anyone here. We got some troll questions and some nice questions. Let's bring in some like an interesting. I know what we're gonna do. It's gonna be like a previous recap, or like a sneak peek of the recap. There we go. Because here on this guy right here, we have all of the things that we did this year. Let me see if I can do like a slideshow. Can I do it? Let's slideshow. I'm not sure. Well, I'm just gonna leave this here. All of these projects were some of the projects that we did this year. Look at this. Look at how many projects we did. Amazing. Well, so a couple of questions that some people have here on the channel. I'm just going to answer them real quick. Someone says, please provide us free knowledge of Maya. Some of the students can't afford it. That's what we've been doing for the past year and a half, my friend. So if you want to check anything on the channel, most of the stuff that we've done is inside of Maya. We also use ZBrush, and all of the information here on the channel is free. If you mean how to get Maya for free, that's something I cannot do. I cannot share that. That's illegal. But you can get Maya Indie, which is quite affordable, I would say. You can get Maya student version if you're enrolled in a university, or if you have an educational email. It should be fairly easy to get it. You can also get 30 days free trial for Maya, or I think it's 15 days free trial. So you can try it out, see if you like 3D, and if you like it, then I don't think it's a bad idea to invest on the Indie license. And if you want to go through the dark paths of the internet, well, that's up to you. There are ways to find it. I'm not going to be the one to guide you through that one. Someone here is asking about the rigging course. He's asking if I'm using old-fashioned methods or if I'm using the offset parents matrix. I am using I would call it the old-fashioned method, and the reason why I do that, it's not because the newer tools are bad, it's rather because I think that's really important to understand the basics so that when you jump onto the newer tools, you know what they're doing. Because sometimes it happened to me quite a bit when I first started doing animation, especially. My teachers would teach me tricks and stuff about animation, and then since I didn't understand the fundamentals, I really didn't know how to apply them. So I personally believe it's good to know the fundamentals, even if they're not as recent or as used nowadays. But yeah, we use that. I also teach that course in a slightly different way. Most of the rigging courses are out there are meant to be for character rigging, which is of course super important, but there's a lot of other things that you can rig, and we do that during the course. So if you want to check that out, it's on Skillshare down here. Merry Christmas to everyone. There were a lot of Merry Christmas like messages all throughout the place. Thank you very much. And then there was this very special one. This comment. Someone asked about the 90% discount that we were offering. We're gonna continue to have like discounts and offers. So I just want to clarify something. Udemy is regional price. So let me show you here. So if I look for Udemy here, for instance, for the advanced character course, you can see that this is the price right now, which in dollars would be like $40 roughly, or $50. If I look this up in the Udemy from the US, it's gonna give me a slightly different price. And if I look this from France or Germany or India or any other place, the prices do change. So even though we are offering a 90% discount, sometimes due to regional pricing, it will cap at a specific percent. That's as much like discount as we can give. So I hope you guys can understand that. And yeah, that's just a quick clarification right there. It's regional pricing. Let's see what else. Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Varjasin, Alexei Kostovsky, Kiep, all of you guys. Oh, good old Dr. Manhattan here. Let's see, we have any more questions. Yeah, so a lot of people like the series. I know that the final part, the Unreal part, as I mentioned on that one, I'm not as proficient with the whole like pipeline inside of Unreal for that particular things. That's where I would normally hand that down to someone else. Like most of the stuff that I've done in the last couple of years for big studios, I mentioned I worked for a commercial for Blizzard last year. I only did texturing and like the preparation of the meshes and everything, and someone else did the animation and the rigging, because that's usually not the parts that I work as a specialist. Yeah, I think there was a student who asked, how is this game ready? It can't move. Well, it can slightly move. He can act a little bit, but yeah, he's not walking just yet. Maybe if you guys want, we can do a walk cycle. That could be a good first exercise for January. We are going to cover the ACES workflow, because that's something that is now in Maya 2023 and can get a little bit confusing. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all the questions. So a lot of comments on the Fogling. Thank you very much, guys. I really like this one. I think we closed the year with a really strong project, which is always fun. By the way, we're at 31,796 subscribers as of now. So if anyone can help us reach 32,000 subscribers by the end of the year, that would be amazing. It's just 200 subscribers, 200 more subscribers. If you share us on your social media, like on Instagram or Facebook, we might get a couple more, and we'll get closer and closer to the goal. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Not a lot of questions, but I want to use this video right here. So if you're watching all the way until now, use this video to comment any questions that you have in regards to the channel, in regards to myself, in regards to the content, like anything you want to ask, please ask it here. We're going to use it as a Q&A video, because on the live stream, we're not only going to have like a recap thing where we're going to look at all of the things that we did throughout the year, but we're also going to be answering the questions from this video. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you back on the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.